Welcome to Planter Garden TV. As you can see, our outdoor kitchen is in action. This is our oven we have right here. And as you see in our oven, we have potato. We have potato baking in the oven. Okay. They're nice. They're almost finished. You see how the knives pacing through, guys? That means they almost finished. So this is our sweet potato we have going. And over here, we have potato also. We have potato baking. Let me see. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, all right. This basically finished. So this just need a few more minutes. And this just need a few more minutes, and basically they finish. Over here is where we're cooking our ital over here. This is our ital. This is rice, peas, carrots, mushroom, garlic, onion, and as you can see, we have coconut milk with that. So we're just allowing it here to boil down. We also have bell pepper. So we're just allowing this to boil down right now. So this is real ital we cooking here, guys. We're just allowing them to boil down. We're allowing the water to dry out. You see, we still have some water there. So by the time the water dry out, we know our ital is finished. So this is a tunnel stove. This is what we call a tunnel stove. We build it from old stone. And you notice down there, that's where the fire is, and the pot is up here. So the fire blaze come up. Over here is where we grill. We also grill here. So if you want to grill, you can grill here. If you want to bake potato, you can do that. Over here, we also can bake. We could bake bread. We can bake whatever we desire in this area. So as you see, the potato is looking really nice. The juice is running out of the potato, looking beautiful. Then we have our English potato there as well, and then we have our ital cooking up there. So guys, we just want to thank each and every one of you for always supporting us. We truly appreciate each and every one. And this is what we're doing, guys. Our outdoor kitchen is in full effect. Baking potato, and also cooking ital coming up right here. This Yes, guys, so I'm going to do a taste test here, guys. I'm going to do a taste test. I'm going to do a taste test right here, guys. Where's my spoon? Okay. Tastes beautiful, guys. No salt, only coconut milk. Added to rice, lentil peas, carrots, mushroom, onion, garlic. It gives you a flavor just like you have meat inside of it. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.